Hello friends, welcome back with one more critical reasoning question. The question is from assumption family, assumption itself. Level is difficult, range is 700 plus, and this is one of the most controversial question too. Let us understand. It says the program to control the entry of illegal drugs into the country was a failure in 1987. If the program had been successful, the wholesale price of most illegal drugs would not have dropped substantially in 1987. So what it says that program had been successful means what? Program failed. And because program failed, that's why price dropped, right? Now, so what is information that because of excess supply, what author is thinking, because of excess supply, the price dropped, right? Let us move to the options. It says the supply of illegal drugs dropped substantially in 1987. Actually, dropped substantially we do not know, although the background information says that there was failure of control. It's been what? There was supply. But whether it dropped substantially, that passage does not share. That's why this is out of scope. Option B says the price paid for most illegal drugs by the average consumer did not drop substantially in 1987. See, it says average consumer. Alright, it's been what? Individual. But here the price is about wholesale, not individual. Alright, so the price paid for the most illegal drugs by average consumer did not drop. Again, the point is it is not about retail price, but it is about wholesale price. So out of scope. C says domestic production of illegal drugs increased at a higher rate than did the entry of such drugs into the country. Unnecessary comparison. Look here, it says domestic production increased higher than illegal drugs, right? So I mean higher than outside entry. Whether it increased or decreased we do not know, but the argument is about that because there was excess entry, that is why price dropped. So because of supply the price dropped, that author is thinking. And here it is about the production of two different things. So unnecessary comparison. Option C out. D said the wholesale price of few illegal drugs increased. Now the wholesale price of few illegal drugs increased substantially in 1987. See, we do not know that it was few or large, but it says that the wholesale price of most illegal drugs would not have dropped substantially. Now it is about the wholesale price of most, and here it is about few price. It's been what? It is all about the conclusion, and it is incorrect information. Alright, so now option D out, option E. It says a drop in demand for the most illegal drugs in 1997 was not the sole cause of drop in their wholesale price. So it was not the drop of demand was not the sole cause. Means what? The demand was not the reason of falling price. It was excess entry. It was entry of illegal drugs. So drop in demand. So demand was not the reason of price drop. It was excess production was the reason. Alright, and that author is thinking here. Why? Because it says that what if there was control? It's been what if there was less supply, the price was higher. It's been supply was the reason. It is not the demand that is the reason of drop. So option E is the best option.